excited about AI and what AI brings to humanity and in the business world. A lot of businesses are approaching AI in two different ways. We have a group of people who are incorporating AI in terms of introducing operational efficiency into their businesses, essentially doing things cheaper, faster, better quality. And then you have another group of people, another group of businesses that are incorporating AI into their solution and product offerings, and both are great ways to go. It's not a mutually exclusive choice, but really the early results that industries are seeing with the adoption of AI are pretty phenomenal. I think super optimistic about the future. If you have not tried out AI, I would encourage you to educate yourself, get your hands dirty, and get on your way to adopting AI and reaping the benefits of it.